One, two, three, funky.
Hey guys, it's Bray. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So it's officially fall, so for today's video I am going to be showing you guys how to make some delicious caramel apples, which are super yummy and super easy to make. So I'm so excited and I hope you guys enjoy this video, and let's get right into it. We are going to need apple, caramel, some granola, and some peanut butter. First thing we want to do is cut up our apple into slices. Next thing we're going to do is grab our peanut butter, and we're actually going to put it in the microwave so it turns a little bit smoother and liquidy. Then we're going to grab our peanut butter and start drizzling it all over the apple, which is so satisfying to watch. Then we're gonna get our caramel and start drizzling that on the apple, and I accidentally put too much caramel, but it's okay because it turned out really good. The last step is to add some granola, and this is a Bare Naked cocoa butter granola, and it is so good. I highly recommend you get this granola and try it out because it's super yummy.